Hello and welcome back. Today I want to cover some advanced Duolingo techniques I use to help me learn German grammar that you might find useful. So to get started, I'm going to do modal here, and this is the last lesson in this section. And I ran into a couple issues that kept frustrating me, and I wanted to kind of show you how I worked through these. So let's give this a go. All right, so
Ihr dürft es nicht sehen.
Ihr dürft es nicht sehen. So ihr is one of those words that can be used in a couple different ways. It can be used to mean you. So I'm going to just scroll over to, this is my cheat sheet here. So let's go to the pronoun section. Ihr can mean you all in the nominative case. And it can also mean her or it in the dative case. So it's either her or you all. So obviously this is not dative, this is nominative, so you. So to start this, what I'll usually do, I'll write out the German sentence in this format: the nominative, dative, and accusative. And so let's try this right now. So the nominative, so that's going to be ihr dürft actually, here we go, S. So I'll write the sentence out, and there are a couple things I don't know here. Dürft, I don't remember what that is, so I'm just going to tap that.
Dürft.
May, so you may not see it. Okay, so that's my guess. I'm going to use the audio feature here. You may not see it. Okay, which is great. I got that correct. If I had made a mistake, I would tap on the comment, and anyone will post information on here, which is great. So ihr dürft es nicht sehen. You are not allowed to see it. So there's a great community behind Duolingo, and that's how I've actually learned some of this stuff. I'm gonna link a snapshot of this cheat sheet in a second, which I'll go over in a little bit. But I just want to kind of run through a couple of these just to show you the method. All right, können Sie mit sieben. Okay, so here's another one which is a little annoying, but this isn't exactly the method I'm going to show you. So sometimes they'll try and trick you up here, and they'll show you words, and you won't know. It'll depend on whether they're nominative, accusative, dative, or genitive, and you'll get really frustrated where you'll end a word with E and it should have been ES or ER or EN, and that's kind of what prompted me I constantly got those wrong. I didn't really understand why, and that's what I built this little cheat sheet out to allow me to write the sentence out, figure out what the declination should be, figure out what the case is, figure out what the inflection is, and come up with the correct ending to that word. This is more of like a memory thing. They're just showing me 3 different spellings of it. Let's do wecken. All right, I'll just remember that one.
Ich möchte mit dir sprechen.
Ich möchte mit dir sprechen. All right, so let's try this again. We'll write out the whole sentence. So subject, I möchte, would like,
Möchte.
would like to, would like to. So again, I'm just writing this out. So the subject of the sentence is I. The direct object is you. And actually, in this case, is there an indirect object? No, there is no indirect object. So let me change that. I would like with you to speak. So I would like to speak with you. I would like to speak with you. I would like to talk to you. Okay, great. Would you like to eat?
Möchtet ihr essen?
Okay, great.
Darf ich diese Orange benutzen?
Darf ich diese Orangen benutzen? So darf we already learned is, would you like to, or may. Sorry, no, it was may, right? May.
Darf.
Yep, see, may. Benutzen is use. May I use this orange? Okay, great. Can you repeat that, please?
Kannst du?
Repeat. Wiederholen? Yep, wiederholen.
Das. Wiederholen, bitte.
Bitte. I never know where to place the please. I'll place it at the end and see if that's correct. No, that worked. Okay.
Darf dem Bürger helfen?
Darf dem Bürger helfen? So let's write this one out again. So let's see. Where is the nominative? Where's the subject? Ihr. Oops. And then actually, dem Burger is going to be the direct object. So the citizen. Helfen. So may he, the citizen, help? So can he help the citizen? Can he help the citizen? It didn't hear me correctly. I said citizen. May he help the citizen? Okay, great. I cannot sleep in this bed.
Ich kann nicht in Bett schlafen.
So the action word, the verb sleep, usually comes at the end of these sentences. So let's see if I can actually. I don't know if I have this rule in here, but this is something I've. Actually don't have this note in here, but I kind of want to make a new note to show you. The way some of these German sentences are formed, it will go subject, time, place, action. And I'll have to refilm this if I screw this up. So let's try this. Let's check it. Nope. Ich kann in diesem Bett nicht schlafen. So, all right, I just said in bed. I didn't say in this bed, so that was my mistake. Whoops. We'll get that right next time. Okay, so here's another great case. So they're giving you three different words here. They're all the same word, but they have different endings. Schwimmen, schwimmt, schwimme. So This is a great. So let's write the sentence out. So the subject obviously is he, kann nicht schwimmen. So we're trying to figure out what this ending is. So we're talking about the subject, so this is the nominative case. Let's see, use when there's a preceding indefinite article. Nope. Not ein, so this is a, or cannot, or possessive demeanor, determiner, mein, dein, ihr. No. Let's see, was there weak inflection? Used with the preceding der, die, das, etc. No. It's replaced by an action word. Ein words. Present tense, regular verbs, pronouns. Okay. So I think I'm going to go with schwimmen. Actually, schwimmt. I've only seen schwimmen. Let me try that. Yeah, I've never seen it once. We'll probably skip over that one because I screwed that up. Are you supposed to cook again? Again. Okay, so this is a good one. Supposed to. I don't know what supposed to is. Sollst, yeah, sollst, okay.
Sollst du kochen wieder?
So, supposed to you cook again? Let's try that. I don't know if that's going to be right or not. No. Sollst du schön wieder kochen? Okay, so again, I screwed up my own. So kochen is the action verb. That should be at the end. So we're gonna come back to that one in a second. Kannst du mir bitte helfen? Now they're just spelling it directly here. Hilfe, helfen, helfen. Können Sie mich 7 wecken? Now we screwed that up last time, didn't we? If there's wecken is the correct one. All right, let's see.
Ich kann nicht in
diesem
Bett schlafen.
I cannot in this bed sleep. So again, let's go back to that subject. So I is the subject, right? Let's write this out here. I. So ich kann nicht in diesem Bed. So then we have place. You know, they don't really say what time. So and then schlafen is the action. Sleep. Just so, because it'll be confusing, you know, in English, we can say that sentence in a few different ways, but in German, to do it correctly, there's only one real way to do it, and that's the formula. So let's try that. Okay, great, that worked. All right, are you supposed to cook again? So we almost got this one right. Sollst du.
Sollst du
Let's see, what was it again? Was it schon kochen? Or kochen? Schon wieder. See, kochen was at the end. Schon wieder kochen. I think that was it. Yep, okay, that was correct. Awesome. All right, so this kind of gives you an idea of what you can do with Duolingo. So this one lesson so far has taken me 15 minutes to do. However, I think I learned a lot more doing it like this than I would if I just flew through didn't really understand what was going on. Now, I don't do every lesson like this, but sometimes if I continually make mistakes, I'll get really frustrated, and that will cause me to want to learn all this stuff. So the next time I do it, I can actually do it correctly. Even if I have to say, wait, let me slow down for a second. Maybe I have to write something down. Maybe I have to look at a cheat sheet. Until next time, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll see you guys later.